guys, it's Danielle with Danielle Gets It Done, and I am doing another planning video. I apologize, it's been a hot minute since I've done one of these, but I just wanted to show you my weekly spread from this week. This is a plum paper planner. I'm absolutely obsessed. I do have a code for, I think it's 10% or $10 off. I will leave the details below, but basically you just need to email me and Plum Paper Planner will send you a little code if you're a first-time buyer. Size, it's 8.5 by 11, and I love it because I like a lot of space. And I like to put a little rectangle around the week that we're in to kind of keep me on track. And on this column right here, I keep track of my weekly cleaning, dust and glass, vacuum, Swiffer mop, bathrooms, and sheets. I'm filming this on a Saturday. I haven't done any of that yet, but I'm hoping to tomorrow. And then any other notes or anything going on that week I'll put here. This week I had to order some contacts. I picked those up yesterday. And then mine is broken up into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sections. And you can either leave the titles blank or the company will print them for you. And last year I left them blank. This year they printed them. My top section is appointments, work, fitness, house, YouTube, and journal. So in appointments here, I just like to keep track chronologically, whether it's work appointments or personal things. I do use an Outlook calendar at work, but I just like seeing it in my planner. And then for work, this is all a to-do list of my work day. And then fitness, I'm doing the Tone It Up Bikini Challenge, and so that's where I keep track of everything there. And I also put meditate in the fitness category because I think meditating is fitness for your mind and spirit, and so I kind of like to include that there. So I'll write down anything I do fitness-wise in this category. And then house is my cleaning or personal, any kind of list like that. So laundry, tidying, clothes, meal prep, sheets, anything like that, I will write down here. So today is Saturday, I'm doing sheets, clothes. I need to water the plants. I want to get lilacs from outside indoors for some arrangements. So anything like that. And then I have a YouTube section. I post on Mondays and Wednesdays, so a little star by the title is what I'm posting that day, and then I just do any other to-do list. So today I'm filming a bunch of videos, and tomorrow I'm editing. And then the last 2 sections I keep for a journal. I just like to write down what I did that day so I can kind of look back, and I just take 30 seconds every night or the next day and kind of reminisce on what we did. And then I guess the only other thing is I'll write little notes in the top as applicable. Monday was my mom's 60th birthday. We threw a surprise party for her. You might have seen that on my Insta stories. If we're not connected, I'd love to connect with you on Instagram. It's at Danielle Gets It Done, one word. And then this is Memorial Day weekend, so I just did a little note right here. I don't have many complaints about this planner. I do wish this was a little thicker here so I could write so that I could write more top level things. But otherwise, I'm obsessed with this planner. See the description below, I will link it. And then also, if you do want to buy one, be sure to email me and I will get you a little code. I hope you all are having a great day, and whatever your plans are, I hope you get them done. Bye guys.